After diligently following the principles of becoming your own banker for a while, you may begin to notice several different types of benefits. Some benefits will obviously be the direct result of having started your own bank, like having more money as a result of paying less interest to banks and other financial institutions. Being more secure, knowing your money is accessible whenever you want, and having less anxiety since your money is guaranteed not to fluctuate with the ups and downs of the market. In addition, you may also experience other indirect benefits like an increase in self-confidence, a more positive outlook on life, and a better night's sleep. But regardless of which particular benefits you experience, one thing is certain: you will want to share this with your friends and loved ones. It's natural to want to share good news with others so that they can benefit from it as well. It's like telling your friends about a really good movie you just saw and encouraging them to go see it. The act of sharing with others provides many benefits in and of itself, which is why it's been said that whenever you give, you also receive. And this definitely holds true when you share your banking understanding with others. You see, millions of people struggle financially. They feel the burden of living paycheck to paycheck. They worry about making ends meet, and they wonder how or if they'll ever be able to retire. When you look at where the money goes, it's easy to see the problem. The average American spends over 34.5% of their after-tax dollars on interest. That's right, 34.5%. Why? Because conventional beliefs have taught them to focus on price and interest rate when it comes to how they finance things, instead of recognizing that the volume or total amount of interest that they are paying should be the focus. Consider just two examples: cars and mortgages. Most people are pleased with getting an 8.5% APR car loan, but they are oblivious to the fact that 25% of every dollar they spend on that car payment goes toward interest. Mortgages are even worse. On a mortgage with a 7% fixed APR, over 86% of the mortgage payment goes toward financing costs in the first 5 years. Since most people either move or refinance every 5 to 7 years, that number typically doesn't improve much. It's obvious that traditional financing is failing, and it's causing millions of people to suffer unnecessarily. You can help. You can inform your friends and loved ones that there is a way for them to recapture all of the interest that they are currently giving to banks and other financial institutions by becoming their own banker. Sharing this information can provide benefits that may last a lifetime and perhaps extend through multiple generations. It's like the old saying, you can give a man a fish and you feed him for a day, but teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. You have the ability to significantly influence others for good. Many of your friends and loved ones may be feeling like they're stuck on a financial treadmill, and no matter how fast they run, they never move ahead. You can help them gain control of their finances by sharing with them the power of becoming their own banker. They will be grateful to finally start moving forward financially, and you will feel the satisfaction that comes from helping others. By becoming your own banker, you will soon be in a position to stop supporting the employees and shareholders of other banks and finance companies through all of the interest you're paying to them, and instead use that money to support you and your family. Becoming your own banker will prove to be one of the wisest decisions of your lifetime.